What's up, guys? Thanks for joining us today with Dev Bros. So today we're going to go over how we can do a haptic feedback or vibrate or let the user know when they're adding something or when they are doing an event. And Flutter makes this quite easy for us to do. There's a widget called Haptic Feedback, and we have many different options that we can choose from. We have heavy impact, light impact, medium impact, selection, click, and vibrate. Now each one of these, they don't return anything. They just do exactly what they say, light impact. So because this is an emulator, we're not going to really know that it's being vibrated. But if you were to use this on an actual device, you'll be able to tell that it's vibrating. You'll get that feedback, that haptic feedback. That you are doing an event or completing something inside of the app. So now every time that I click, let's go ahead and refresh this. There we go. Now every time that I click, this haptic feedback is being hit. You can tell by the debugger that it is getting hit every time that we click the add icon here. So that is how you add haptic feedback to your app.